Hi everyone, welcome to OhmAzing Living. I'm Carla. Today we're going to do a short flow just to stretch, provide some relaxation, bring some relief into your body, center yourself a little bit. So we're going to get started very briefly with a little bit of breathing. So let's go ahead and close down our eyes. We're going to take some nice deep breaths in and out through our nostrils. So inhale deeply through your nostrils and exhale it out through your nostrils. No pause here, nice pure breathing, allowing our belly to rise on the inhale. Inhale it in and exhale it out through your nostrils. Maybe you set an intention to try to stay focused throughout the practice. One more breath in and exhale it out. This time, take a breath in through your nostrils. On your exhale, open your mouth and allow an audible sigh to come out. This tells your body it's time to relax. We're going to start on our back. So go ahead and get on your back. Slowly find your way down. And when you do get down there, we're going to keep our knees bent. Arms down at our sides. And on your inhale in, I'd like for you to push through your feet, lift your hips, take your arms overhead. And exhale it down. This time we're going to do it for a count of 4. Inhale for a count of 4, lift your hips, take your arms overhead. Exhale for a count of 4. Lower yourself back down. 2 more just like that. I'll count. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And allow your arms to rest overhead. Hips are up in the air. Hold for just 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, bring everything back down for 1, 2, 3, 4. Take one breath here. Inhale. Push through your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms are overhead. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale it down for 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Pick up that right leg. And let's cross our leg over our left leg. So we're going to rest the ankle of our right leg on the thigh of our left leg. Go ahead and push that right leg away. Open up your hip a little bit. 2 breaths here. And your third inhale. Pick that right leg up. Go ahead and rotate your hip. Remove it from the thigh of your left leg. Take one breath with both feet planted on the floor. And then when you're ready, pick up your left leg, rotate your hip, and cross that leg over your right leg, pushing the hip away. Use your left hand and press on your left thigh, opening up your hip. 2 breaths here. On your third inhale, picking up that leg, rotating the hip first. Don't jerk your knee, and then slowly bringing your foot back down to the floor. And we're going to find our way back up to a tabletop position. So go ahead and find your way up to your tabletop position. Again, remember you want to have your hands directly, or your wrists directly underneath your shoulders, fingers spread. Bring that thumb in a little bit closer to your index finger. Knees directly below your hips. Take a breath in, drop your belly. Extend your neck forward, look up. Exhale, round your back, push through your hands, look at your belly, look down at the floor. Inhale, come to a nice flat back. Go ahead and walk your hands out about 2 steps so that they're quite a distance in front of you, but keep those fingers spread. Take a nice big breath in, round your back, look at your belly, and then exhale, bend your elbows, tuck your elbows in as you slowly bring yourself all the way down to the floor. 1 breath here. Inhale, push through your hands, push yourself up, round your back, push yourself back into child's pose. Arms stretched out. Inhale, bring yourself back up, arching your back, and then coming it to neutral as you tuck your elbows and slowly bring yourself all the way down. Inhale it back up, round your back, and bring yourself all the way back into a child's pose, outstretched hands. On your next inhale in, take a big breath. Exhale, walk your hands over to the right. Take your left hand on top of your right. Big breath in. Exhale, walk them all the way over to the left. Nice big stretch. Take that right hand on top of the left. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale it out. Really reach out. Push your hips back. On your next inhale in, let's slowly bring yourself up. Tuck your toes, push yourself up into downward facing dog. Push through your hands. Feet should be at least hip width apart. Push through your hands like you're trying to push your hips up into the crack of the ceiling. On your next exhale, look to the front of the mat and walk your feet forward into a forward fold. Allow your arms to dangle. Maybe you grab your elbows, let your head dangle. Inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands directly to your shins. Nice flat back here. Crown of your head's facing forward. Exhale, forward fold. Push through your feet and slowly, slowly, slowly begin bringing yourself all the way up. When your chin comes up, your arms come all the way up. Exhale your arms down. Excellent job. Alrighty, we're going to go into a warrior one pose. So let's take our hands, and it's a little bit of different variation of a warrior one pose. I want you to take your hands, I want you to interlace your fingers, turn your hands down, step your left leg forward into a warrior one. Nice deep generous bend in your front knee. Turning your back leg into back foot 45-degree angles. Push your hands down on your inhale. Arms come all the way up. Look up. Nice big chest opener. Deep generous bend in that front leg. Energetically pull your feet together. Exhale, bring your arms down. Straighten your front legs. Inhale, interlace your fingers, put a deep, generous bend in that front knee. Take your arms all the way up. Exhale, unbind your hands, bring them down to your sides as you straighten your front knee. Last one, inhale, take your arms all the way up. Deep, generous bend in that front knee. Hold for a minute, take a breath. On your next exhale, swan dive your arms forward. Drop your hands down to the floor. Turn that back foot so that you're in a low lunge here. Drop your back knee down. Untuck your toe. Come all the way up. Facing forward. Exhale, drop your hands down to the inside of that left leg. Untuck your toe. Lift your back leg. Take that Left leg, swing it back into a downward facing dog. And look to the front of your mat and walk your feet forward into a forward fold. On your next inhale in, put a deep, generous bend in your legs and slowly bring yourself up. When your chin comes up, your arms come up. Let's step that right leg forward. Warrior one on the other side. Drop your arms down. Inhale. Interlace your fingers. Take your arms all the way up. Hold for a breath here. Your next exhale, release the bind in your hands, bring your arms down, straighten your front leg and hold. Inhale, interlace your fingers, take your arms overhead, deep, generous bend in that front knee. Exhale, drop your arms down, straighten that front leg. Interlace your fingers, deep, generous bend in that front knee. Hold. Exhale, swan dive your arms forward. Bring your hands to the floor, turn your back leg so that you're in a low lunge. And when you're ready, let's drop that back knee down, untuck your back toe, come all the way up. Nice low lunge, big stretch here. Breathe. Exhale, take your hands to the inside of that right leg, untuck your back toe, lift your back leg, and when you're ready, take that right foot, swing it back, downward facing dog, readjust your hands. Push yourself, hips back up towards the ceiling. And when you're ready, look to the front of your mat, walk yourself forward. Dangle your arms, allow your head to relax. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, push through your feet, slowly, slowly rise up. Let your arms come up. And let's bring our hands to Anjali Mudra in front of us. Let's stop and take 1 or 2 breaths here, catch your breath. On your next inhale in, slowly take your arms out to the side. And exhale your hands back to Anjali Mudra. Step your feet apart just about hip width. A little bit of a bend in your knees. Slow it down here. Take an inhale in. Open your arms out to the side, palms facing up. Exhale, bring your palms back together slowly. Inhale it in. Take your arms out to the sides, palms facing up. Exhale it back to Anjali Mudra. One last time. Inhale it in. Arms out to your side, palms facing up. Exhale, bring your palms back in together. Excellent job. Straighten your legs. Take your arms down to your sides. Inhale. All the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Make your way onto the floor. And before we leave here, we'll do a short breathing exercise. So we're going to do Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Very simple exercise. I want you to start by taking your right hand, closing off the right side of your nose. Take a nice deep inhale in through your left nostril. Release your thumb from your right side of your nose. Close off the left and exhale it out through the right. Inhale through the right. Close off the right as you release the left. Exhale through the left. Release your bind on both of the nostrils. Take an inhale in through both nostrils. Exhale it out through your nostrils. And this time we're going to take our left hand. We're going to close off the left nostril with our left thumb. Take an inhale in through the right. Close off the right as we release the left. Exhale out through the left. Inhale in through the left. Close the left, release the right, and exhale out the right. Excellent. Release your bind. Take an inhale in through both nostrils. And exhale it out. Let's take our arms out to the side. Inhale it up. Take your hands to Anjali Mudra and slowly bring them down to heart center. Thank you guys for being here. I hope you enjoyed this slow, relaxing video and you enjoy your day. Let's take our hands to forehead center. Bow as we say, Namaste, Shanti, Shanti, peace. Thank you.